Okay, in last lecture we have seen how to create using loop. Now we are going to create the array. Okay, so we will create the array for physics, array for chemistry, array for math, sum, array for total. So here this become physics 0, physics 0, this become physics 1, this become physics 2, this become physics 3. Same for chemistry 0, chemistry 1, chemistry 2, chemistry. Same for math. Here total 0 equal to physics 0 plus chemistry 0 plus math 0. Total 1 equal to physics 1 plus chemistry 1 plus math 1. Total 2 equal to physics 3 plus 2 chemistry 2 plus mathematics 2. Physics 3 plus chemistry plus math 3. So let us write the code. In last lecture we have seen the loop. So write this same code in the loop. That's it. Okay. So here I create a physics array, chemistry array, math array, total array. This is the way to define the list in the Python. So here initially the list is blank. So this is the function dot append is the function in Python. List dot append is the function in Python which add the element one by one. So here whatever input is entered by the user, it get appended. So let us run the code, run the module. So see here what is the output you get. Enter physics. As I told you, see physics marks 10, 10, 10 for thief 0, 20, 20, 20 for thief 1. So let us write the same. Let us input the same value. Physics 10, chemistry 10, math 10. Total equal to 30. Okay, can you see this? What happened here? Enter physics. Okay, enter physics. So what you get here? So let me resize the window. Enter physics value. Enter physics. I assign 10. That get type as to integer. And here physics 0 get created. Physics 0 get created. Here chemistry 0 get created. Math 0 get created. Okay, enter chemistry. Enter math. Then total equal to total dot append equal to physics I value of I is 0 plus chemistry 0 plus math 0, and here print total array is total array is 30. Clear? When I is 0, now here I becomes 1, enter physics. So I enter 20, 20, 20, I get sum 60. For thief third 30, 30, 30, sorry, its value should be 30, 30, 30. I made it 40, 40, 30, 40, 40, let it be. And for thief 4, 40, 40, 40. So here you can see this. Okay, in this way I get the output. So again what I do, I run the code one more time so that there should not be any confusion. So I run the code. Physics 10, chemistry 10, math 10, physics 20, chemistry 20, math 2, physics 3, chemistry 3, math 3, physics 4, chemistry 4, math 4. So here you can see the total. Here can you see this? Physics marks, chemistry marks, mathematics marks, total marks. Okay, here I get a total. Total array is 30, 70, 20, 120. Or here I can print the array of physics, chemistry, mathematics also. So what I need to do, just write the code for that. Control C, Control V. So this is the array for physics. This is the physics array. This is the physics array. Physics marks. So what is the array name? Physics. P-E-H-Y-S-I-C-S. Physics. Okay. And here this is the chemistry mark. C-H-A-M-I-S-T-R-Y. This is the chemistry marks. Okay. So here this is the chemistry I. Okay. So what I am doing, I am just recalling the array. That's it. This is the math mark. Math marks is okay. Physics, chemistry, math, total. Save it. Run the code one more time. Enter physics. Okay. So ten, 10, 10 for student 0, 20, 20, 20 for student 1, 30, 30, 30. Sorry. Run module. 10, 10 10 20 20 20 30 30 30 40 40 40. Can you see this? Total array is 30 plus 60 plus 90 plus 120. Okay, just see the code, you'll understand. This is the Excel sheet that we have created already. Just compare this Excel sheet with this code, that's it. You can see the physics array, physics 10 20 30 40. Can you see this? Physics 10 20 30 40. For chemistry 10 20 30 40. Chemistry 10 20 30 40. Math 10 20 30 40. Math 10 30 30 40. And total 30 60 90 120. Total 30 60 90 120. So what I have done here, what I want to show here, I can now recall the elements in the array. In previous case it was not possible, but when I use this array, this list, I could recall it. So in this way we have learned the loops. Okay, you can use the average equal to total divided by 4. So here what you can do, here you can print average marks, average marks. Average marks is total I divided by 3. Okay, run the code, see what do you get. Run the code. So here what do you get? See, enter physics 10 10 10 20 20 20 30 30 30 40 40. Can you see this average marks? Average equal to total divided by 3. What is the total? Total was 30 divided by 3 is 10. 60 divided by 3 is, sorry, it should be 4. No, there are 3 subjects, it's correct. 60 divided by 3 is 20. 90 divided by 3 is 30. And 120 divided by 3 is 40. Here also you can write the if loop. If the subject is below 40 marks, then he's failed. Here you can check. Here you can check whether the subject is below 40 or not. If it's below 40, then fail. Print fail or other pass. You can do like that. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Next video we'll see. And please join the channel. See the video in YouTube, Balaji Shetty, and join Balaji Shetty Facebook group and subscribe this channel. Thank you. Thank you very much. Bye.